Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be doing a kendama unboxing. I got this package sent to me from cereal Kendamas, so huge thanks to them. This is actually my first time trying cereal kendama, so I am pretty excited to see what's in this package. And yeah, let's get started. Wow, very nicely bubble wrapped. And a little note from them. Hey Micah, thanks for taking the time to review this. Cereal Kendama. Awesome. So they come in these nice little bags that say cereal Kendama. One red and one blue. I like their logo. It's basically a cereal box. They're pouring cereal into a bowl. Pretty cool. So let's go with the red one first. Oh, I just noticed, and on the back of the bag, it has like nutritional facts like a cereal box would. Pretty clever. Ooh, a green one. Love green. Wow. Such a nice shape. So they sent me an Ascent 2 and a Hybrid 2. So let me just make sure what shape this one is. Okay, so looking on their website, I believe this is the Ascent 2 shape. And it looks like this is part of their Nothing But Kendama collab. So this is a beach tama and a maple ken with seems like their sticky paint. Man, the shape is really unique compared to my other kendamas. But it looks super honed, especially the stall points. I can see they're super sharp. Then just comes with the standard string and bead and a few of their stickers. Let's get into the second kendama. Ooh, a yellow one. Wow. What kind of wood is this? Looks like a splice. Let me check. Looks like the KWC Amber. So this is the Hybrid 2 shape. The Ken is birch with spectra, and the Tama is beech, which seems like they're cloud clear or like the matte paint. Wow, I love the colors on these. That spectra is super pretty. All right, so we got the Ascent 2 and the Hybrid 2. Let's check out the Ascent 2 first. So looking at the kendama, has a Nothing But Kendama logo on the back. The front, the standard cereal kendama logo. Has a pretty big base cup hole as well. Sharp spike, and then a logo on the big cup where the bird would sit. And then for the Tama, looks like a 70-30 split. On the top is a tracking dot that says nothing but Kendama as well. And then triple stripe tracking around the bevel with the white stripes and a lighter green as opposed to a darker green on the top. Let's see how long the string is. Very long string. And let's try out the lunar balance, because I heard the Ascent 2 has really good lunar balance. Oh wow. Oh my gosh. It's actually insane. Look how much I can tilt it before it falls. It's almost parallel to the ground. This thing's gonna slap for lunars for sure. Let's try the stalls. Ooh, stalls also look really good. Handle stalls also really good. Man. This thing is gonna play amazing. I can just feel it. And now let's check out the Hybrid 2. So this is a Birch Spectra Ken. Has a standard logo in the front and a different logo in the back. I'm not sure what that is, but it looks like either some leaves or some wheat or something. And then it does look different than the Ascent 2 shape. The Hybrid 2 looks smaller, and including the cup size is smaller, but then also the handle stall and ring stall is more pronounced on the Hybrid 2. And then for the Tama, this is their cloud paint, I believe, which is like a silky matte paint. Beach Tama, triple stripes around the bevel, as well as a tracking dot on the top of the Tama, in this nice yellow and orange with a bearing bead. I'm sure this one has it as well. Yep. String length, about 12 fingers at least as well. And they also have a balance hole. Not as big as the Ascent 2, but still pretty big. And now let's try lunars. Ooh, these are also really good for lunars. Yep. Let's try stalls. Stalls also seem really good. Man, this Kendama might be good for everything. Both of them. Yeah, so like I said, this is my first time trying cereal Kendama. I think the last time I tried a Kendama brand for the first time might have been when I tried a Kendama ISR, which was back in 2018, I want to say. So it's been a while since I tried my first Kendama from a Kendama company. But yeah, I am super excited for these Kendamas, and I will have to do a review of these two Kendamas very soon. So yeah, the Ascent 2 and the Hybrid 2. But yeah, thank you again to the guys at Cereal Kendama. They are a Kendama company based out of Singapore, and they seem like really good people. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.